So this is on LinkedIn. I was looking for work. You know, I looked at this. I thought, Border Program Associate, right? So I looked into it and I clicked on, I went to their website, which is way up here in the corner. So I clicked on this and you get this. And it's totally locked out, right? But yet they have a beautiful family here. Clean teeth, the feet are clean, nothing, refugee stuff, right? So CWS is actually a federal contractor. Okay, it goes through the Department of Homeland Security, which is exactly what Alex Jones was talking about when all these illegals are coming into our country. This is for the border of Arizona and California. This particular job, you know. So, I thought this was interesting. If you have the right to work, don't let anyone take it away. That comes from the Department of Justice. Wow. You know. So I'm just kind of floating along, and I was like, okay, I clicked on something, and I've clicked on more and more jobs, and I'm like, it's all over the place, people. Texas, North Carolina, employment specialist, refugee case manager, border assistant, associate director for integration services. Yeah, these are all DNC jobs. This is a DNC job. This is a far left progressive, agenda. But more importantly, CWS is a federal contractor. Okay, and they are in cahoots with DHS. See that? Isn't that something? Yeah. So like I said, just kind of checking things out. And then I clicked on the job board over here. And you get this stuff down here. Basically, you just float along, But yeah, I was just like, that's interesting. So, like, in LinkedIn, they have Border Program Associate. So I thought, well, let's check it out, man. And I noticed that these are very young people. So if you apply for this job, which is a federal contract job, your title will be Program Associate. Okay. And look at this is interesting. Look at all of your goodies you get. You get a 403B. You get a retirement plan, man, if you do this job. You get full medical, dental, and vision, paid time off, employee assistance program. Like I said, this is all federal contract work. But like if you decide to sign up, they are looking for people who will work with asylum seekers, migrants. You have to have experience working with border organization is a plus. Okay. Understanding of migration and the asylum process in the U.S. Experience with and understanding the immigrant cultures and experience. That's interesting. You have to have strong technical skills, excellent command of Google, but ability to work from home remotely, and you have to travel between California and Arizona, and probably nationally. You have to have a bachelor's degree, and you have to be bilingual. So, yeah. So, yeah, this is a federal contracting job. And I just wanted to kind of like show you the far left's agenda, I guess, to put it out on the internet for job looking for work, So, and you can't do anything. This is totally locked out. Their website, you can't get any more information. It's just totally locked out. You have to have a username, password. You got to sign in and all that stuff. which I'm not going to do because this is another data point to gather more intel on you. So yeah, I thought I would just like show you this. This was in LinkedIn. And like I said, this is a federal contractor working with DHS for these migrants that are taking your jobs. They're going to flood the cities, right? So anyhow, it's just interesting to see this stuff. Border Program Associate. So you click on it, it's LinkedIn, and you got these young people running like psychology, human resources professional. Wow. It's coming from Church World Service, which is what I just showed you. So if you click on this, you go to their website and you got to sign in, all that stuff. Yeah. It's entry level, but yet you have to have all those skills. See what I mean? Yeah. So, catch you later. I just wanted to show you that. It was just, it caught my eye as to the far left and the progressive DNC on how they're job posting these things, kind of hiddenly, kind of hiddenly. It's kind of like squeaming your way through. So, I don't know. Those benefits sound like they're federalized. So, but it's a federal contract job. So, like I said, a lot of the targeting, a lot of the space-based program, and all the gang stalking and all this stuff. All these people are paid. They're paid informants. They're paid. All paid. So here's another paid informant job. That's the way I'm kind of looking at it. You got this young person. I got more life experience than this young, but yet they put her up as a, I don't know who this person, but it's like psychology and human resources. Okay. All right. But, if you go through it, this is catering to the illegals. This is them coming up through Texas in buses and boats or wherever, and just going through these church services as a filtering process, and then they come out, scot-free on the other side, I guess, And this is part of the process. This is what I think. I think that this is part of the process. I'm just saying. I'm throwing my 2 cents into the pot. I just... It seems like the jobs that are out there are not there for targeted individuals. People who have skills and stuff like that. Old skills, It's this, you gotta be down with the New World Order gang. You gotta be down with, all this Antifa shit, or whatever. It's just like, I know that other people have talked about it. They think that the migrants are here to replace us. Well, they probably are. Because they plan on doing depopulation. What's the number one depopulation program? It's a silent weapon for quiet wars weapon right now. Which is what I've been bitching about for years. Yeah. This is a hidden agenda right here. I don't care what anybody, this is hidden. So, yeah, just look, I don't know if you're scoping, you're looking for work, and I saw that. I was just like, oh, here we go. Here we go. The DNC is hiring young people to process all these people using quote-unquote church services. Okay? This is a federal contractor. That's all I can say.